What is up, everybody? Welcome into this new video of TechExpress. My name is Steven and I'm going to be showing you how, let's say which one is like the best tool for, let's say, artificial intelligence chat. Well, that could be like the Bing artificial intelligence chat support or the actual Chat GPT number 3. So as you can see, I do have these both applications already been opened. I have Chat GPT here and I have the Microsoft Edge opened with the actual Bing chat. Why do I have this one available here to the Microsoft Edge? Because the Bing artificial intelligence chat is only working with the Microsoft Edge browser, so you might want to download that in order to continue. So if I want to make like a quick comparison, the very first thing you wanted to take that in mind is that the ChatGPT number 3, which is actually this one, does not answer questions beyond the 2021 year. So that means that if I wanted to look out for a specific question about history, about something that happened, this one should not be able to appear here into the ChatGPT. But in the Bing artificial intelligence chat, it does. So if I am actually correct to what I'm saying, let's say that I wanted to see who is the most, let's say the most richest person in the 2022 only, and I go here into copy. As an AI language model, I don't have access to information from the future. My training data only goes until the 2021, so therefore I cannot provide information about the richest person will be in the 2022, of course. So if I ask the same question about here into the chat, we do have 3 different conversation style, which is something more interesting. What kind of conversation style do you want to have? The more creative, the more balanced, and the more precise. More creative is going to be helping you to do some imaginary stuff, let's say for social medias, for creating like a book or writing content, whatever. More balanced is let's say more informative and friendly stuff, and the more precise, something concise and straightforward chat. So let's go and focus with the more precise. So I go here, I ask exactly the same question. Let's say, who is the richest person in the 2022? So what's going to be happening here is that the Microsoft Bing artificial intelligence is going to be using new tools, new technology to answer for this question. So according to the Forbes of the 26th annual ranking of the planet's richest person, Elon Musk tops the world based on his list. So I have a lot of information here. Is there anything else you would like to know? Learn more, and I have some reference where they actually got the information. Forbes, unacademy.com. Now, of course, this actual Bing is much better than ChatGPT number 4, but you have to take in mind one thing. The thing is that the actual Bing artificial intelligence chat actually works with ChatGPT number 4. What is ChatGPT number 4? If I go back here into the ChatGPT section, the real chat.openai.com, as you can see, we have the upgrade to plus section. We have a free plan and we have a ChatGPT plus version. So what is the main comparison between both of them? If we have the ChatGPT Plus version enabled, we need to pay, of course, $20, but we are going to be able to use it when the demand is actually high. We have faster response speed, the priority access to new features, and of course, going to be telling you stuff that are actually like actual in the moment. So there's like not so much comparison between ChatGPT Plus and the Bing artificial intelligence chat, because this actual Bing artificial intelligence chat is working with ChatGPT number 4. So let's go for ChatGPT 4 Bing chat. News about ChatGPT number 4 chat, how to use ChatGPT tools for free, how to use new Bing chat. So this is a news that has been around into the internet for a few months now. So the Microsoft Bing AI works with ChatGPT number 4. So that's the reason why we wanted to just focus here into the Bing chat section. So even though there's no comparison between ChatGPT and itself, of course, we still wanted to use, of course, like the latest version of ChatGPT number 4. That's the reason why I don't want to use this version, but the actual newest, the uploaded version of ChatGPT number 4. But there's a huge but. As you can see, we have the 1 out of 20, and there's a green bar, a green circle, of course. So that means that I am only able to get 20 prompts totally for free per day. So of course, the ChatGPT number 4 here is totally for free, but I can only be able to use the 20 prompts per day. Otherwise, I needed to pay for an upgrade to Plus version inside the ChatGPT application. So that's the reason why I used ChatGPT 3 as well. Because what I wanted to do is not to spend all my prompts, especially if I wanted to work with the artificial intelligence chat of Bing like the whole day, because I only have 20 prompts. I needed to figure out what is the actual main question that I need to ask. So if I wanted to look how I wanted to, let's say, write some content for, let's say, like a book, like an introduction, description, whatever, I needed to do it with ChatGPT number 3. So if I go here into the ChatGPT number 3, let's say that I wanted to start a new conversation. Let's go for create a really short story for kids about, let's go for a robot and a, let's say, a lion. I'm not pretty sure. Let's go here. I hit into the answer mark, and now I do have like a short story here. With this short story, what I wanted to do is to rewrite this story, but now into the ChatGPT number 4. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm using the same technology, and advanced technology, advanced features needed to be uploaded and used with ChatGPT number 4. So what I'm trying to say here is that you might be using ChatGPT number 3 to use, let's say, just simple questions. And if you wanted to ask for some, or you needed some advanced tools, then you can move those on into ChatGPT number 4. For example, here is a robot named Robbie who loved to explore. One day, blah, 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 blah. At first, the lion was hesitant, but now this day on. So I can copy this one. I'm going to go back here into the ChatGPT number 4, and let's go make this story longer. I am using the same technology, but I'm using ChatGPT number 3 to create a story, and I am using ChatGPT number 4 to make the story longer. Or I can use this actual new technology to, let's say that I wanted to talk about, I wanted to create the actual character. I wanted to figure out like what does he eat, how does this behavior is, where does he lives, is it like a female, like a non-binary, whatever. So I can use both applications, and I don't have to worry about if I am missing more than 20 here. And as you can see, is the actual same result, and I'm getting like more information and more precise stuff as I am using the Microsoft Bing artificial intelligence ChatGPT. So whether you can wanted to choose like a more creative style, more balanced, or more precise, but at the end of the day, it's the same stuff. It's the same ChatGPT, but we're using 4 instead of number 3. So with that being said, guys, I think we're now ready to figure out which one is the best for us. Of course, we can use of course this one actually wins to the ChatGPT number 3 because this is like the upgrade on number 4. But still, since we only have 20 prompts to use for free per day, you wanted to don't try to just ask basic questions. That's the reason we have the ChatGPT number 3, so we can use that for basic questions. And if you wanted to check it out some more advanced questions and more stuff, more precise, more creative stuff, we wanted to use the Bing artificial intelligence chat. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We have now reached into the end of the video, so hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and well, we'll see you next time.